Alright, starting off the vlog here real quick with a surprise package from a good friend of mine. I've been talking to him a little bit in the lawn care industry lately. Oh, this thing's huge. Look, it's a big metal imprint of me. Thanks, Ryan. No, like that. That is awesome. Ryan, sincerely, thank you. Shouldn't be going anywhere. All in all, this is the rig. My Chevy 96 Suburban, the Ultra Tow 30x50. This thing is like butter. It can hold up to 500 pounds, so it can hold me and the snowblower combined on the hitch. And what I've got on here is probably one of my favorite snowblowers I ever own, and that is the Simplicity Select 1227. This thing is beautiful, 27 inches, goes 6 different speeds, kind of like all the dual stages do, but this one has hand warmers and it has steering brakes, which makes it really, really convenient, and all in all, comfortable operating experience. I was gonna do a whole montage where I brought this up and showed you guys how I'll do that. I'll probably do that when I get to one of my sites, but the reason I haven't done it is because at this point my camera died, wasn't able to film the first couple of driveways, so I actually came back to the house, took a little break. I'm heading back out now, so got about 4 or 5 more to do, and then that's gonna be hopefully a wrap for today. As you can see, it's still snowing, but that's the thing with snow, you never know, right? Hey, I just rhymed there. I'm sure you guys get that. Anyway, I'm gonna shut up now. This is the rig. This is what we're dealing with. Going to clear some snow for the business. Let's go. Done a video on this little 60-volt power shovel. Showed you guys a quick clip of how it did in a vlog a couple of weeks ago. That was how it did in light snow. So what I want to do real quick is show you guys how I use it on my snow routes to clear off stoops, sidewalks, hard to reach areas, all that stuff. Check this out. And just like that, all cleaned, and I didn't have to break my back. Great work, Toro.
How's the shoveling business going?
Good.
Yeah?
We're lined up, 7 driveways.
Perfect. Oh, yeah?
Uh-huh.
All right.